Consider a vernier calipers in which each 1 centimeter on the main scale is divided into 8 equal divisions and a screw gauge with 100 divisions on its circular scale. In the vernier calipers, 5 divisions of the vernier scale coincide with the 4 divisions on the main scale, and in the screw gauge, one complete rotation of the circular scale moves it by 2 divisions on the linear scale. Then here they given 4 options. We will go to these options after measuring the least count of vernier calipers. Here we will use this data. For vernier calipers, 1 centimeter is divided into 8 equal divisions. Therefore, what happened? 1 MSD should be equal to 1 by 8 centimeter. At the same time, 5 divisions of vernier scale coincide with 4 divisions on the main scale. That means 5 VSD should be equal to 4 MSD. Then 1 VSD should be equal to 4 by 5 MSD. Already we know MSD value, that is nothing but 1 by 8 centimeter. Then 1 VSD is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Then least count of vernier calipers is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Substitute 1 MSD and VSD value here. What happened? You will get 0.025 centimeter. Then go to the AB options. If the pitch of the screw gauge is twice the least count of the vernier calipers, the least count of the screw gauge is 0.01 mm. Same data, but they given screw gauge least count is 0.05 mm. Here what they given, pitch of the screw is twice the least count. That means pitch of the screw is twice. What is the least count of vernier calipers? 0.025. That means 0.025. It will become 0.05. Okay, that means pitch of the screw gauge is 0.05 centimeter. Then least count means pitch of the screw by number of divisions in circular scale. How many divisions we have? Here in the data they given 100. Therefore what happened? 0.05 centimeter by 100, it will become in mm 0.05 mm. Therefore B option is correct and A option is wrong. Then come to the remaining 2 options. Okay, what happened? If the least count of linear scale of screw gauge is twice the least count of vernier calipers, the least count of screw gauge is 0.01 mm. Here what they are saying, least count of linear scale is twice. Twice means 2 into least count of vernier calipers. What is the least count of vernier calipers? 0.025. It will become 0.05 centimeter. That means one division value on linear scale is 0.05. Then what happened? Pitch of the screw means distance moved by number of rotation. Here if one complete rotation of the circular scale moves it by 2 divisions, that means we should multiply with 2. That means 0.05 into 2, you will get 0.1 centimeter. That means pitch of the screw is 0.1 centimeter. Then least count of screw gauge is 0.1 by 100. Already we know 100 divisions on circular scale. Therefore least count of screw gauge is 0.01 mm. Therefore C option is correct. Therefore here B option and C option are correct. Remaining one are wrong.